Can you hear me now? Is volume working for you? Sorry about that, fellas. I don't know what was turned down here or what. Spectra. Pack number 1 on our Spectra. Rookie patch auto, Kiki Kuti, Houston. Catalyst, Jabril Peppers, Cleveland Browns. That's numbered to 199. That Coutier is numbered to 25. And we have arrivals. This is Mike Gesicki and Lorenzo Alexander. We'll have to random that one. Buffalo and Miami. So we'll do all the randoms at the end of the break. That is numbered to 25. And we got a Mike Vick base for your Atlanta Falcons. Mike Vick. Numbered to 99. Our base here, Rashad Penny gold. Numbered 1 of 10 on that one. So nice hit for Seattle. For your Colts, Quentin Nelson auto. A lot of glare on this, I'm sorry about that. Quentin Nelson. Number to 199. For your Cincinnati Bengals, Joe Mixon. Joe Mixon. Nice white patch there, number 299. And Epic Legends, Troy Aikman for your Dallas Cowboys. Troy Aikman. Number to 199. How about a Dante Pettis for your 49ers? Blue. Numbered to 75 on that one. Rookie autos, Tremaine Edmonds. Tremaine Edmonds. Buffalo Bills. Numbered to 149 on that one. Monumental Dante Pettis for your San Francisco 49ers. Number to 199. And building blocks, Bradley Chubb, triple relic. Beautiful looking card. Number 250. Yeah, the flawless break was at 9 o'clock. For your Pittsburgh Steelers, Antonio Brown. The golden pink. Number 10 of 20. Yeah, there was a beautiful Acuna in there. Josh Allen, aspiring Buffalo Bills. Nice auto on it with the multi-patch. Number to 49. And for your Jets, Sam Darnold, triple relic. Number 250. And the die cut here for your Texans, Deshaun Watson. Deshaun Watson. That's numbered 21 of 35. So that's the Spectra break. We'll go with the limited next. Well, let's see if we can get this thing open here. Five-star signatures. We got a John Elway. John Elway. That is just beautiful for your Denver Broncos. Triple relic auto, John Elway. Numbered to 38, 14 of 38. Playbook next. Got a Luke Falk, number to 49 auto. Miami Dolphins. John Kelly auto. John Kelly for your Rams. That one's not numbered. How about a Lamar Jackson, 3 of 25. Big hit for your Baltimore Ravens. Lamar Jackson. 3 of 25. In our book, how about this? 5 of 49, your Rookie of the Year. Saquon Barkley, New York Giants. 2 jumbo patches there. Saquon Barkley, New York Giants. 5 of 49. And our Immaculate. We'll start with a Kelvin Benjamin, number to 25. Kelvin Benjamin. Andy Dalton and Sam Darnold. numbered to 50. 15 of 50 on that one, so we'll randomize that one. This huge Tyler Lockett, numbered to 50 for your Seattle Seahawks. Numbers, Tyler Lockett. Antonio Brown and James Washington. Beautiful. Pittsburgh Steelers, 5 of 5 on that one. Nice hit for the Steelers. Bob Bruley, eye black auto. Dallas Cowboys. 10 of 49. Kalen Ballage to 99 with a 4-color patch RPA. Miami Dolphins. And Mason Rudolph, 63 of 99 for your Pittsburgh Steelers RPA. That's not going to focus for us, is it? Mason Rudolph, there it is. Alright, and we'll go with the helmet first, the mini helmet. Good luck. And what do we have here? For your Chargers, Charlie Joyner. Charlie Joyner auto. Los Angeles Chargers. So nice hit for the Chargers there. And our football. What's the trick here? Well, there's the auto. I'm believing it's a Kurt Warner. There's nothing else here in the bag. The sticker just has the authentication number. Well, we're going to go with Kurt Warner. I'll double check it before we ship it out, but there's the authentication number. I believe it is Kurt Warner, and that would be your Rams. Alright, that's our break. We'll get the video uploaded to you. Oh no, I gotta do this randoms. I'm sorry. Random, we're gonna put each card into the randomizer, list the player or the teams and the players, randomize the list 7 times. Team on top gets the card. First up we have Dolphins and Bills. That Spectra card. 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's going to the Dolphins. And then our next one is Bengals and Jets. Seven times on that. It may be Keenan Allen. I will confirm that. Four, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Jets. Jets. So that's our break. Thanks for hanging with us, guys. Sorry about the technical difficulty at the beginning. Have a good night, everybody.